Hello guys, welcome to Tech Learning 3.0. Today in this video, you are going to see how to connect your phone's WhatsApp account to computer without any app. For this, your computer should be connected to the internet connection. If you don't know how to connect the computer to the internet connection, see my previous video. The link is given in the description. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Connect your computer to the internet connection and then go to Chrome or any other browser on your computer. Click to go into it. Then type Google in the search bar. After it opens, type WhatsApp web in the Google search bar to access the WhatsApp web. Then click WhatsApp web. Wait for some time. After some time, a QR code appears in the screen. Now open WhatsApp in your phone. Okay guys, click WhatsApp in your phone. Then click the three dots which is in the right top corner. Then click WhatsApp web which is third from the top. Then scan the QR code. Then your account will be opened in the computer. Now you can send documents, files, anything in your computer to your contacts. Okay guys, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to put the comment. Ideas are also welcomed. Thank you.